Thank you for choosing Hays-LTI for your fertilizer hauling equipment needs. In this video, we'll walk through basic safety tips, overall operations, and daily maintenance of your Hays Side Auger Tender. Before heading to the field, it's important to perform a quick inspection. Start by checking the tires and lights, then make sure the auger is fully lowered secure for transport. Grease the axle and brake fittings under the trailer frame, as well as all grease fitting points located on the back side of the control panel. Check fuel, engine oil, and hydraulic oil levels to be sure they are ready for operation. It may sound simple, but low fuel is one of the most common reasons a Hays tender won't crank. If fuel gets below a certain level, the tank sensor will not allow the engine to start up. Your daily checklist in the tender manual is the best guide for keeping your tender safe and operational, and all new Hays tenders come equipped with hinged, easy to open stainless steel engine covers to make daily maintenance even more accessible. If you would like to upgrade this engine cover option, give our parts department a call and we will get a kit heading your way. When choosing a location to park in the field, select an open, hard surface area that is free from power lines, low-hanging limbs, and irrigation pivots. This ensures plenty of clearance for the applicator under the auger spout. For safety, we place the tarp handle on the nose of your tender. Unlatch the tarp handle, extend it outward, and roll the tarp back at least 1 foot to allow proper airflow. This ensures your material flows smoothly during unloading. Start the engine, open the start box, and turn the key to the right until the engine starts. After about 10 seconds, the engine will automatically increase from 990 to 1800 RPMs. To swing your side auger out from the tender, gently pull the lever labeled in out. Once you have your auger out, you can now raise your auger by pulling the lever labeled up down to your desired height so the applicator can pass freely under the spout. Switch on the discharge auger first, then the belly auger using the labeled levers. Then adjust engine speed with the rabbit and turtle buttons as needed. For best performance, the tender should operate at around 2600 RPMs. Always begin unloading with the front hopper to take the weight off of the landing gear. Slowly open the main door lever to prevent overloading the auger and engine. Once you've unloaded the desired amount, close the door while the augers are still running. Then allow a few moments for the discharge augers to clear the remaining material. Shut down the belly auger first, followed by the discharge auger. Use the vibrator lever to help clear the hopper completely. Then repeat the same process for the rear hopper. Every Hays tender also comes equipped with clean out doors for bottom unloading and thorough cleaning when needed. After unloading, lower the auger down all the way using the lever labeled up down. Now it is safe to fold the auger back into its saddle using the lever labeled in out for safe transport. Idle the engine down with the turtle button and allow it to run at idle for at least 30 seconds to cool the turbocharger. Then turn the key to the left to shut the engine off. Be sure to latch the start box, secure the tarp handle, and perform one final walk around safety check. The landing gear handle is located on the passenger side, giving the driver another opportunity to inspect the tender before transport. Thank you for choosing Hays-LTI. We truly appreciate your friendship and your business. If you have any questions, please call the office at 229-336-7103. We're proud to be your partner in the field.